Hello students, let's do simple linear equations exercise 16D. Page number 174. Question 9. When two consecutive natural numbers are added, the sum is 31. Find the numbers. What's the meaning of consecutive natural numbers? Consecutive natural numbers are numbers that come one after the other. So let's begin. So the first natural number, let's consider that to be x. Then the next consecutive number means the one that comes after x, next to it, that will be x plus 1. Now here they're saying the sum of these natural numbers, these two numbers, the first natural number and its consecutive number, if we add them up, the sum is 31. So the sum is 31. Now we need to find the numbers. So x is the first number, x plus 1 is the second number. Together they add up and give us 31. So let's work this out. X plus x, that is 1 plus 1 is 2x. 2x plus 1 is 31. So that means 2x is equal to 31 minus 1 because I have transposed plus 1 to the other side. So it becomes minus 1. Now this means that 2x is equal to 31 minus 1 is 30. So now we can find the value of x. So x will be 30 divided by 2. Division because 2 here is multiplication. When I transpose it, it becomes division. So 30 divided by 2. Let's divide 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 and I bring down 0. So 10. 2 fives are 10. So we've got 15. So x is equal to 15. So let's write that again. X is equal to 15. Now we are asked to find the two consecutive natural numbers. So we have written here in the beginning, let the first natural number be x. So the first number is x and we found it to be 15. The second number is x plus 1, that is 15 plus 1, which is 16. So what are our answers? The numbers are 15 and 16. So this is our answer. The two numbers we have found out to be 15 and 16. Question 10. When three consecutive natural numbers are added, the sum is 66. Find the numbers. So let the three consecutive numbers be. First one will be x. Second one will be x plus 1. Third one will be x plus 2. Now the sum is 66. So let's add this up. X plus 1 plus x plus 2. Okay, so this is x plus 2 and this is x plus 1. So these are the three numbers. Now when we add it up, it should come to 66. So here, let's open the brackets now. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is 66. Let's take all the x together. So I have 1, 2, 3. So when you add it up, you get 3x. Now let's look at the numbers. We have plus 1 and plus 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So plus 3 is 66. So 3x will be 66 minus 3. Minus because I have transposed plus 3 to the right hand side. So here I'll get 3x is equal to 66 minus 3 is 63. Therefore, let's find the value of x. X will be 63 divided by 3 because here it is multiplication and I'm transposing it to the right side. It becomes division. So let's divide 63 by 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 0 and I bring down 3. 3 1s are 3. So x is equal to 21. So the first number is x, which is 21. Now the second number is x plus 1, which is 21 plus 1, That means it is 22. So first number is 21, second number is 22, and the third number is x plus 2, which is 21 plus 2 and 23. So as you can see, there are three consecutive numbers, 21, 22 and 23. So these are the three numbers. Question 11. A natural number decreased by 7 is 12. Find the number. Let the natural number be x. Now, if this is decreased by 7, that means decreased means subtraction. So, if x minus 7, this is decreased by 7, if that is 12, let's find x. So, x will be 12 plus 7 because I'm transposing minus 7 from the left side to the right side. So, that becomes 12 plus 7. Therefore, x is equal to 12 plus 7 is 19. So, the number is 19. Question 12. 1/4 of a number added to 1/6 of itself is 15. So let's see. So let the number be x. Now 1/4 of this. So 1/4 of x added to 1/6 of x. Okay, so this is the first part. When this is added to 1/6 of itself, this is 15. Now we have to find the number. So let's open the brackets here. So 1/4 of x means 1/4 into x. Okay, we'll retain the brackets for now. Then 1/6 into x. This is equal to 15. Now 1 into x is 1x. So 1x by 4 plus again 1x by 6 is equal to 15. So as you can see, this is addition of fractions. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 6. So let's find the LCM. 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. Then 2 1's are 2. I bring down 3. I carry on 3, 1 and 1. So my LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. So let me use 12 as my common denominator and continue. 4 3's are 12. So 1x into 3 will be 3x. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 6 into what is 12? 6 2's are 12. So I multiply this by 2. So 1 2's are 2, 2x is equal to 15. Now 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x is equal to 15 into 12. How did that become into 12? Here it is division. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So 5x equals 15 into 12. Let's multiply. So 15 into 12. Let's multiply and see. 2 5's are 10. Carry 1. 2 1's are 2 plus 1 3. Now here 1 into 15 is 15. So when we add this up, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 1. So 5x is 180. So how much will x be? X will be 180 divided by 5. So let's divide 180 by 5. So here we have 18. So 5 3's are 15 minus 3 and then 0. 5 6's are 30. So we have found the value of x to be 36. So the question is find the number and the number is 36. So the final answer is this. The number is 36. Question 13. A whole number is increased by 7 and the new number so obtained is multiplied by 5. The result is 45. Now let's go slowly. Okay. So we're talking about a whole number. So let the number be x. Now if this is first increased by 7, that means it becomes x plus 7. Now the new number. So this is the new number. If this is multiplied by 5, so let's multiply this whole thing by 5. Then they're saying the result is 45. Result is 45. Now we have to find the number. And the number we said is x. So let's solve this. So when we multiply numbers like this in brackets with the number outside, multiply that by each number inside the bracket. So 5 into x will become 5x plus, now multiply 5 into 7. So 5 sevens are 35. 5x plus 35 equals 45. Now let's find 5x. 5x is equal to 45 minus 35 because I have transposed plus 35 from the left side to the right, so it becomes minus 35. So 5x is equal to 45 minus 35 is 10. So now we can find the value of x. X will be 10 divided by 5 because here it is multiplication and I'm moving it to the right. The transposing makes it division now. So 10 divided by 5 we know is 2. So x is equal to 2, or the number that we have found is 2. So we've been asked to find the number and the number is 2. Question 14. The age of a man and the age of his daughter differ by 23 years, and the sum of their ages is 41 years. Find the age of the man. So let's start by saying that the age of the daughter be x years. So in that case, the age of the man will be x plus 23 years, isn't it? Because it says it differs by 23. Then the sum of their ages, that is the daughter's age plus the man's age, that is x plus 23, together this is 41. So now we have to find the age of the man. Let's open the brackets. X plus 23 equals 41. So that means x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 23 is 41. So 2x will be 41 minus 23 because I'm transposing plus 23 from the left side to the right. Now let's subtract 41 and 23. Minus, this is 3, 11 minus 3 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1, that's 18. So 2x is 18, that means x will be equal to 18 divided by 2, which means x is equal to 18 divided by 2 is 2 nines are 18. So we have found x to be 9. So now let's go back to the question and let's see the first statement we wrote. Let the age of the daughter be x. That means she is 9 years old. So she is 9 years old, and then what do we know? The age of the man and the daughter differ by 23 years, and our main question is find the age of the man, and here the age of the man is x plus 23. So the age of the man is x plus 23, and we have found x to be 9. 9 plus 23. So how much is 23 plus 9? 32. So the man's age is 32 years. So we have found the answer. The age of the man is 32 years. Next question. The difference between the ages of a woman and her son is 19 years, and the sum of their ages is 37. Find the age of the son. So here let the age of the son be x. We'll keep it as x years. Then the age of the woman, now the difference between them is 19. So the age of the woman will be x plus 19, and the sum of their ages is 37. That means x, the son's age, plus the mother's age, the woman's age is x plus 19. Together, this adds up to 37. So let's solve x. Okay, so x plus 19 is 37. So let's solve here. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 19 is 37. That means 2x will be 37 minus 19, because I've transposed plus 19 to the other side, it's become minus 19. So let's find the value of 2x. So 37 minus 19. Let's minus and see. 7 minus 9, I'll have to borrow. So that's 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's 18. So 2x is 18. That means x will be 18 by 2. So we know 2 nines are 18. So x is 9. Now we have to find the age of the sun, and now we have found the age of the sun to be 9 years. Look at the first statement we wrote. Let the age of the sun be x, and we found x to be 9. So we have found the age of the sun. It is 9 years. Question 16. Two natural numbers differ by 6 and their sum is 36. So let the smaller number, now here they're asking us to find the larger number. So let the smaller number be x. Then the larger number will be x plus 6 because they differ by 6, isn't it? So the difference between the two is 6. Then the sum of their numbers is 36. So now we have to find the second part, the larger number. So let's start by finding their sum. The sum of the numbers is 36. That means the first number, the smaller number is x, and the bigger number is x plus 6. Together they add up to 36. So now let's open the brackets. X plus 6 is 36. So x plus x is 2x plus 6 is 36. So we can find the value of 2x. How do we do it? 36 minus 6. Why minus? Because plus 6 has been transposed to the other side and it's become minus. So now 2x is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. So that means x is equal to 30 divided by 2. So x will be 30 divided by 2 is 15. So we have found the value of x. Now we have to find the larger number. Look at the second step. The larger number will be x plus 6. So the larger number is x plus 6. And how much is x? We found out x to be 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So the larger number is 21. Question 17. The difference between two natural numbers is 15. Taking the smaller number as x, we need to find a few things. First thing we need to find is the expression for the larger number. So first let's do that and then we'll find the second question, which is find the larger number if the sum of these numbers is 71. Okay, now here we have been asked to find the expression for the larger number. Now the smaller number is x, so the larger number will be x plus 15 because the difference is 15. So the expression for the larger number is x plus 15. So this is the larger number. Now we have been asked to find this larger number if the sum of these numbers is 71. So the smaller number is x, then the larger number we just found is x plus 15. Then the sum of these numbers is 71. So let's add up the smaller number and the larger number. The smaller number is x, the larger number is x plus 15. So now both these together add up to 71. So let's continue. X plus, open the brackets, x plus 15 is 71. So x plus x is 2x plus 15 is 71. So 2x will be 71 minus 15 because I have transposed this from the left side to the right. So it becomes minus 15. So let's minus 71 minus 15. Borrow 6 here. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's 56. So 2x is 56. So what does that mean? That means x is equal to 56 divided by 2. So let's divide 56 by 2. So 56 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 and bring down 6. 2 8s are 16 minus. So here I have found the value of x to be 28. We have been asked to find the larger number. So the larger number is x plus 15 and we found x to be 28. So 28 plus 15. So let's add that up. 28 and 15 added up. 8 plus 5 is 3, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 43. So the larger number is 43. So we have found the larger number to be 43. Question 18. The difference between two numbers is 23. Taking the larger number as x, find the expression for the smaller number and the smaller number. Okay, so all the steps are given. So let's start. What is the expression for the smaller number? The difference between the two numbers is 23. The larger number is x. That means the smaller number is smaller than this x, isn't it? So that will be x minus 23. So this is the expression for the smaller number. So this is the smaller number. Now, the second part is we have to find the smaller number. So what is the larger number? The larger number is x. The smaller number is x minus 23. And the sum of these numbers is 91. Now let's find the smaller number. This is what we need to find. So the sum of these numbers means when you add up these, so x is the larger number. Let me take the smaller number with it, x minus 23. Together, when you add up, they should give 91. Now let's open the brackets. X plus x minus 23 equals 91. So x plus x is 2x. 2x minus 23 is 91. That means 2x is equal to 91 plus 23 because I have transposed this from the left to the right. So let's add 91 plus 23. 91 plus 23. 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. It's 114. So x is equal to 114 by 2. So let's divide 114 by 2. 2 5s are 10 minus 14. 2 7s are 14. So here we've got our answer here. X is equal to 57. So we have been asked to find the smaller number. And the smaller number here is given as x minus 23. And how much is x? We found it out to be 57. So 57 minus 23. Let's minus and see. 57 minus 23. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that means the smaller number is 34. So let's write our final answer. The smaller number is 34. Question 19. Find three consecutive integers whose sum is 78. That means three integers that come one after the other. So let the first integer be x. Let's assume that the first integer is x. Then the second integer, if it's consecutive, it will be the next one, isn't it? So that is x plus 1. Then the third integer will be x plus 2. Then the sum of the integers is 78. So the sum of the integers given to us is 78. That means when I add up the first integer, second and the third, I will get 78. So let's work that out. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 78. Now let's open our brackets. So this is x plus 1 plus x plus 2. This is equal to 78. Now let's take only the x. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. So that makes it 3x plus, let's take the numbers. I have 1 plus 2, it's 3 plus 3 equals 78. So 3x plus 3 is 78. That means 3x is equal to 78 minus 3, because I have transposed this plus 3 to the right hand side. So it becomes minus 3. So 3x is equal to 78 minus 3 is 75. Therefore, we can find the value of x by dividing 75 by 3. So let's divide 75 by 3. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1 and 5. 3 5s are 15. So minus, I've got 25. So the value of x is 25. So let's go to the first part. So here the first statement says, let the first integer be x. That means we have found the first integer to be 25. We found the value of x to be 25. Now the second integer is x plus 1. That means 25 plus 1, which is 26. Now that is the second integer. Now the third integer is x plus 2. So 25 plus 2. So 25 plus 2 is 27. So we have found the three consecutive integers, that is 25, 26 and 27. So you can check your answer by adding up these three. It should come to 78. So this is our final answer. The three integers are 25, 26 and 27. Question 20. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 54. Taking the middle number, there are three numbers. Now take the middle numbers x is what they're telling us. So if the middle number is x, the number that's the smallest will be the number before it. It will be x minus 1. X minus 1. And the number that's after that will be greater. So that will be x plus 1. So this is the expression for the smallest number, x minus 1, smallest number, and x plus 1 will be the expression for the largest number. Now, second part is we have to find all three numbers. So the smallest number is x minus 1. Then the middle number is given as x. Then the largest number is x plus 1. Now we have to find all three numbers. And it says if I add up all these, I will get 54. So let's continue. The sum of these three numbers will be 54. So remember, if I add up the smallest number, the middle number and the largest number, I will get 54. So let's do that. So that will be, the sum of three numbers is 54. So what are the three numbers? The smallest number is x minus 1, the middle number is x, and the largest number is x plus 1. Together they must add up to 54. So let's open the brackets. X minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 54. Now let's take all the x. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So that is equal to 3x. And then let's take the numbers. Here I have minus 1 and here I have plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So it will get cancelled. So straight away I go to 3x is equal to 54. Now I can find the value of x by transposing 3x to the right hand side. So it becomes 54 divided by 3. So let's divide 54 by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. I bring down 4, 24. 3 eights are 24 minus. Okay, so I have found the value of x to be 18. Now I can find my numbers. The smallest number is x minus 1. So x is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. Now the middle number. The middle number is x, which is 18. Now we'll go on to the largest number, x plus 1. That means 18 plus 1, which is 19. So we've got our numbers. 17 is the smallest number, 18 is the middle number, and 19 is the largest number. So what are all the numbers? 17, 18, and 19. So with that, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.